Hey everyone, happy Tutorial Tuesday! As Financial Literacy Month comes to an end, we want to make sure that you all were aware of our educational material that we offer on our website. There seems to be so many scams going on right now, from phishing, social engineering, email phishing, and most recently, move your money scams. Keeping your money safe is one of our biggest priorities here at Clinton Savings Bank, which is why we want to provide you with our most up-to-date information. So please visit our website under Connect, then simply choose blog, and here you will find articles on how to avoid scams with our most recent blog, Move Your Money Scams. And remember, call your financial institution immediately if you suspect fraud on your account. This will help reduce further fraud and it'll help us communicate scams to others. We'll see you all next week, and we can't wait for warmer weather.